Hey everybody, Mrs. Borg here, coming to you from my kitchen today, and I have Chef Tanner assisting in videoing. So, couple things. First of all, check out my apron. Can you guys tell what this used to be? It used to be a men's shirt, and they transformed it into an apron, and I love it. So this is like the cuffs. They made pockets. It has the collar and the buttons. I love it. Okay, so at our house, we really like to cook. Chef Tanner, especially behind the camera, really likes to cook. He actually has been doing a lot of cooking and baking while we've been on quarantine. But one of the things he used to always request for his birthday dinner would be English muffin pizzas. And I thought it'd be something cool to show you guys how to do. And then maybe you can make it at home. And I would love for you to post pictures on Facebook of things you're cooking, or send them to me, whatever you want to do. But I would love to see what you're doing. So this is something really simple. Be sure to always ask your parents before you do anything. I don't want you to do anything without their permission, okay? So if you'll pan down here, this is the tray from my toaster oven. By the way, pan back up a second, Chef Tanner. Can I tell you that I always wanted my own cooking show? I really have. So this is my chance. Okay, so this is the tray from our toaster oven, and I always put foil on it, that way the tray doesn't get messed up or anything. And then this is an English muffin that I went ahead and toasted part of it. Oh, I have paint on my fingers, ignore that. I went ahead and toasted the English muffin, okay, and I have it here. And then this is just some tomato basil pasta sauce. This is just regular Kroger brand, doesn't matter. You can use any type of spaghetti sauce or pasta sauce or anything like that. So I don't like a whole lot of sauce on my pizza, my regular pizza, so I'm not going to put a ton on here, but if you like a lot, then you can do a lot, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and put the sauce on here. Okay. There we go. And then we had mozzarella cheese, but if you only have cheddar cheese or Parmesan cheese, whatever kind of cheese you have, a lot of them will work for this, okay? So then you put on, I mean, confession about Mrs. Borg, I like a lot of cheese. So you put the cheese on there. And, okay. There we go. And I also like it when it falls off because that gets crispy and I like that. Okay, now to punch up the pizza flavor, I'm just going to put some oregano, but you could do basil, you could do Italian seasoning, whatever type of flavors you like, but this is like traditional pizza flavors, okay? Now, if you like Canadian bacon on your pizza, put some on there. If you like pepperoni, you can get the mini pepperonis and put it on there. Whatever you like on your pizza, black olives, green peppers, put it on there. But we're just going to keep it simple for today. So we'll be back in a minute and we'll show you the finished product.
Hey everyone, Chef Tanner here. So we broiled these in our toaster oven, and once the cheese is melted and they've warmed up, they're ready. Want to take one?
Yeah, I'll try one.
All right. They're hot, careful. Very good. Cheers.
Nice apron.
Thanks. My mom made it.
All right, guys, have a great day, and maybe we'll see you next week for another Cooking with the Borgs.
Bye.
Bye.